Kelley here with North Commerce, and in this video, we're going to be going over block patterns. So there's this really cool, awesome concept called patterns. Sometimes you might hear them referred to as components. Both sort of have similarities, and we'll dive into that in later videos. But right now, I want to show you how to use a pattern. It's super amazing, super easy, and you can build really, really great websites based on some of these pre-made patterns that either you buy, you get from North Commerce, maybe you've built them for other clients and then you saved them, then you can reuse them. This makes life so much easier. So in the previous video, we went over creating this layout from scratch. And so we created this group block and added these columns and this text and these buttons and this image. And let's say, for example, you downloaded these, our North Commerce theme here, this blueprint, and you wanted some of these layouts automatically. What we've done in these North Commerce themes is we've set all these sections up as patterns. And so here's what we can do. So I'm going to come into this page variation, and we have this page created already. We can see that here, and that looks great, right? So you know what I want to do is I want to copy a couple of these sections so that I can have them on that new page, but I don't want to have to spend all the time redoing this. So what I can do is I can just click this section here, click this group. Sometimes I like to open up the document overview here just to confirm that I've selected the right group. And I'm going to go ahead and click on copy right here, or Control C. And then I'm going to come here and just click. I'm going to click off of this section so it pulls up this new paragraph, and I'm going to hit Control V, or I can right click and paste it. And then all of a sudden I get this section automatically pasted on my page here. I didn't have to rebuild anything. I just literally copy and pasted. So you know what I want to do is I'm going to delete this just for the sake of having only these logos here. And maybe I want to even like lower the padding, make the section a little smaller, kind of make it my own here. So that looks awesome. And then let's see, what else do I want here? I really want to, actually I want to show off some features. So let me copy this about page as well. I'm going to copy that, and then I can come in here, click off. Control V is what I'm just clicking, or Command V on a Mac. And I've got that. That looks really, really nice. And all of a sudden, this page is starting to come together with very little effort, if any, really, by just copying and pasting these patterns. And so maybe I want some, kind of this testimonial stuff here. That looks good. Maybe I want to add one more testimonial from this area here. And I can just click off of it, Control V. That looks great. And then maybe finally I add this call to action section. I'll copy that as well. And then I'm good. Let me see if we're going to add anything else. I think we'll leave that for now. But what you'll see is that we can just easily copy and paste all of these patterns. And now we have a beautiful website already ready for us to publish. Basically, maybe all I have to do is update some of the text here. So maybe I say, about, North Coffee. Maybe that's the name of my coffee company here. I can update those. I can just click in here a little bit about us. Maybe I want to just update the copy here, and we can come in here and just quickly change everything. We actually have 100,000 satisfied customers, and we've been in 3 years in the market or something. And then just like that, we have our page all ready to go. And so patterns are a super powerful way to, one, reuse existing layouts that you've already made, or you can use other people's beautiful layouts that they've made. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.